Shush rocks. Okay, these guys are about a week old, I guess. Maybe a week and a half. I'm going to put this on YouTube, Bill. See how the parents are really aggressive? What they're doing is picking up the babies in their mouths and then they put them back in the glass. I don't know what they're attacking in that corner, but they thought, here he comes. Hey, Mickey. Anyway, we'll just get one more close-up of these babies. There we go. There we go. And both parents. That's better. They're not so scared of that. That's mad. How cool are they? Look at those little babies. There's so many of them. I swear not one has died.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.